The fear of losing control often leads to one thing: micromanagement. You check the tools, ping the channels, hover over the work. Just checking in. Where are we on this? Any updates? It feels like leadership. But is it really helping your team, or is it quietly holding them back? Some managers stay close by, staying involved in everything. They jump into every thread, chase every update. They try to manage outcomes by micromanaging inputs, but it comes at a cost: slow decisions, distracted teams, emotional fatigue. Others lead with a lighter touch, but sharper awareness. They don't guess where things stand. They see it in real time. No need for constant nudges or check-ins, because they already understand what's working, what's stalling. It means the right signals, response trends, ownership gaps, delayed follow-through. Not through guesswork or gut feel, but through actual behavior patterns. You know where collaboration is strong, and where it's quietly falling apart. And because you know, you act early, with context, not control. Micromanagement breaks trust. When teams feel watched, they pull back. They hide behind vague updates. They build shadow workflows that operate outside your view. But when people feel trusted, they step up. They solve faster, collaborate more openly. They bring problems to you before they escalate. And instead of managing resistance, you start supporting momentum. The most effective leaders don't hover. They perceive. They don't chase every update. They sense where to pay attention. They build systems of clarity. Micromanagement is fear in motion. Perception is leadership with purpose. See more, press less, lead what truly matters. Want more ways to lead without hovering? Subscribe for insights, quiet signals, and strategies that help you lead with less friction and more trust.